So hey guys, here's everything I'm gonna get from Harbor Freight because of what happened to the rollout drawers. So I'm gonna just get rid of those and just go to Harbor Freight, and the other 6 and the shelving and the stand I'm just gonna probably scrap. So I will give you a glimpse at what I'm probably gonna get. I'm gonna need a bunch of 3/8 and 1/4 inch. I'm only gonna need 3/8 and 1/4 inch. And then what else? I don't know which type I want to get, honestly. 3/8 and 1/4 inch. SAE and metric for sockets and wrenches. And I could use, sockets, wrenches, and I just saw something. They have one for bits, which is good because I need one for bits anyway. I could possibly use some of the organizers for the drawers. And probably a bunch of other things. We'll find out. And then toolboxes, I would just have to choose. No, I ain't getting the wood one because that's stupid expensive anyway. I'll just have to look at these individually if they have them on display, if you know what I mean. In stores, then decide on what I'm gonna get. And then get these for the bits, some of these for the bits, and no telling what else I would need. But I will keep you guys posted once I fully decide everything. So we'll have to see whatever else they offer. So then, hopefully you guys please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the YouTube community tab until YouTube makes a feature to where you get notified when I post a community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.